No, I feel dizzy. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Yes, it's a vlog, I think. My name is Ben Fisher with a 3-1 and 4-8 on the end for my YouTube channel. Because you can look down and see that. Anyway, I feel dizzy now. I'm gonna be drawing today. So I can't focus on this phone. It's going all weird. Yeah, I'm gonna be drawing. You guys need to see what a professional drawer looks like, so you can see here what I look like. And yeah, enjoy. I'm also very tired. Just thought you should know. You know what? I'm that good at drawing. I'm actually gonna do it one hand because I need to hold the phone at the same time, and I've tried to use like that, and that to hold the phone. And even the roof, but no, I can't do it. So I'm just gonna have to be professional and hold. Oh no, it's empty. Right. So let's see. First of all, you start with a head, like that. That's a dog's head. I'm telling you. And then you've got to draw like dog eyes. He's gonna be like facing towards us, like the dog eyes there, aren't they? Yeah, of course, yeah. Like that, dog eyes. Then you've got to draw like a dog nose, like that. And then you've got to draw a big smiley face because dogs smile a lot, like that. And then I think so, like they've got something there, haven't they? Perfect. And then this dog's gonna have big ears, like that. Yeah. And then he's gonna have like fluff. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's coming amazing. And now we come from here. And we go for the body like that. Look at that. We've gone a bit over there. So we just erase that bit. And we're actually going to go for the legs now. Like, oh. Yes. Look at that. And then we can be lazy here. And do that for the other leg so we don't actually need to show it. Boom! Look how genius I am. And then we give it like little toes. Because that's a dog toe. And then we've got to do this from the behind as well. Like this. Look at that. I mean, you know, the back and front legs aren't always exactly the same, are they? Like, name a dog with the both legs are... And then this dog's going to have like a big fluffy tail. Like that. Look at that. Look at that. No, what a dog needs is a collar. Oh yes. And we're gonna give it like a little buckle there. Oh, that's amazing. I didn't catch me drawing that on camera. I apologise. I know you was wanting to see this. But let's just scribble in there so it looks like we've actually written in there. That is brilliant. I'm a genius. What else do dogs have? As you can see, if you ignore the icons, look at that. Right, yeah, that is a dog. I'm sorry, I didn't realise I actually had a dog in front of me. But now I'm looking at this, I realise they actually have shirts on. And I didn't realise that before, so I am sorry. But do they have shirts though? I might go down to see my dog in a minute to just get a bit of a reference. But no, we don't need that. The nose, I think it has a circle actually, here. I think that made it worse. Oh, wait, I can redeem. Oh, look at that. That is... I'm impressed with myself. Like... If we just get rid of that bit there. This end a bit. And then, like... This dog's, like, got, like, a... Yeah, boom! And then we need, like, We need, dogs. Oh, look at that, I knew it. Like, are you telling me that's not what I just drew? That is exactly what I just drew. No. I know. Gotta draw a big, colourful patch on it. Like that. Look at that. It's brilliant already. You know what? I'm gonna put my fake signature on that and call that professionalism. So if you enjoyed this how to draw like a professional, hit a like if you learned something, you know. If you didn't learn how to draw like a professional and you're whinging about it, go somewhere else. And if you came on here for the hell of it, because you're not trying to draw, then cheers, I guess. Thanks for stopping by. You know what? This guy is gonna have a black patch, or well, no, like a colourful patch, because I'm doing it like black and white. Look at that! Look at that! Say that is not the best piece of art you've ever seen in your entire life. And considering I drew it most of it in like watching it through the actual camera, I'd say that's pretty good. The feet are around the same size. The legs are as well. The tail, that is the best work that I've ever done. The face, I'm impressed with myself. I truly am. This is going up on my wall. Actually, we're doing it now. Let's go. Like right here. Not that torch off, and we're gonna just shove it through the pin. Look at that. It's on the wall, right next to my guitar. Yes, I'm a barbecue sauce. Boom, that's going to be off for the rest of the day now. Subscribe if you want to see more professional videos. And, leave a comment saying, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good my drawing was, because I know you're always impressed. Subscribe, see you later.